In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add yoga on MyFitnessPal, step by step. If you're tracking your wellness journey, logging your yoga sessions helps you see how movement fits into your day, estimate calories burned, and stay consistent. I'll walk you through the exact taps to get yoga into your diary quickly and accurately. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Give it a second to load the home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, tap Login. Enter your usual email and password securely, then tap Login again to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see today's progress. From here, head to your diary. This is the central place where MyFitnessPal organizes your day into meals, water, and exercise. Inside the diary, look for the option to add exercise and tap it. You'll see exercise categories and shortcuts. This screen is where all workouts get recorded. Next, choose the exercise section that fits what you're logging. For most users, yoga appears under the cardio list because it tracks duration and calories burned. If you see multiple categories, select the one that lets you browse the full exercise library. Now tap Browse All to open the complete list of exercises. At the top, use the search bar and type yoga. This filters the library so you don't have to scroll. You'll typically see results like yoga or sometimes specific styles. Choose the option simply labeled yoga if you're unsure which to pick. This is a safe default and works for most sessions. After selecting yoga, you'll be taken to a screen where you can edit the details. Set the duration to match your session, whether it's a quick 15 minutes or a full hour. If the app shows an estimated calorie burn, remember it's a guideline. Intensity and personal factors can change the number. Adjusting duration is the most important part here. If there's a notes field, consider jotting the class type or focus like power, restorative, or flexibility to track trends over time. When everything looks correct, tap the check mark or save to confirm. You'll be taken back to your diary where yoga now appears under exercise for the day. If you need to make changes, you can always tap it again to edit. That's it. Open the app, log in, go to your diary, add exercise, browse, search yoga, select it, fine-tune the details, and save. Keep logging consistently and you'll get a clearer picture of how your practice supports your goals.